the war was done?
I think so, yeah.
I understand you also have family here with us.
Yeah, I have my parents right there, my brother, and the supporters at the back.
They must be very proud of you.
I hope so.
Okay, Anita, can you please select the last question? Thank you. Well, your friends on stage have done you a favor and they've left you the easy one. Anita, your question is based on fishing. Fishing. Island countries depend on fishing for consumption and economic reasons. How, in your view, can countries ensure that commercial fishing will not deplete supplies? Island countries depend on fishing for consumption and economic reasons. How, in your view, can countries ensure that commercial fishing will not deplete supplies?
Thank you, JJ. Yes, fishing is source of consumption for most of the Pacific Island people. To control fishing, overfishing in our islands, I believe the government should establish a law whereby there is a limitation concerning fishing. That way we can supply more fish for our grandchildren and the children before that of Thailand.
Capital to the level, Ms. Samuel.